I beg your pardon for earlier. Now, trouble seems to be increasing for Amazon original web series Tandav, despite an apology by the cast over hurting Hindu religious sentiments. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh said that an FIR will be registered and action will be taken against the web series. After UP and MP, Maharashtra will now be the third government to register an FIR against the Saif Ali Khan starrer. Deshmukh has requested central government to bring a law to regulate OTT platforms' content. Maharashtra government has also agreed to support UP police in its investigation into the matter. A team of Lucknow police reached Mumbai early morning to investigate this case. Meanwhile, BJP MLA Ram Kadam has threatened to protest outside Saif Ali Khan's residence. He has also accused Saif of hurting religious sentiments. Former Union Minister and BJP leader Vijay Goyal is also holding a protest against the political drama in the national capital. Karni Sena has also held a protest against Tandav in Jaipur. Jammu Kashmir has also witnessed demonstrations against the web series.
कुछ लोगों ने इस मूवी के साथ और एक और मूवी जो मिर्ज़ापुर से संबंधित है उससे संबंध में भी एक एफआईआर कराई है। सभी जगह निष्पक्ष और पूरी तरीके से विधिक विवेचना करने के निर्देश दिए गए हैं। ये सुनिश्चित कराया जाएगा कि किसी का हरासमेंट न हो, लेकिन साथ साथ ये भी देखा जाएगा कि जो अगर किसी लोगों की भावनाएं हैं, हर्ट हुई हैं, आहत हुई हैं, तो वो उसका क्या निदान निकल सकता है।
जिस तांडव के अंदर हिंदू देवी देवताओं का अपमान किया गया, दलितों का अपमान किया गया, उसमें पुलिस का अपमान किया गया, उसके अंदर इंडियन लीगल सिस्टम को गलत दिखाया गया, उसके अंदर प्रधानमंत्री पद को गलत दिखाया गया, तो मैं समझता हूँ इसके जो निर्माता हैं अब्बास, उनको गिरफ्तार किया जाना चाहिए। केवल माफी से काम नहीं चलेगा।
जब तक वे बदमाश जेल के सलाखों के पीछे नहीं जाते, तब तक हमारा ये तांडव जारी रहेगा। कारण यह है कि हिंदी फिल्म जगत के कुछ लोगों ने हिंदू समाज को बड़े हल्के में लिया है और विगत 20 वर्षों से लगातार हमारे देवी देवताओं को, हमारी श्रद्धा पर गहरा प्रहार करने का उनका दुस्साहस लगातार जारी है और इस बार संयम टूट चुका है। हम रुकेंगे नहीं, हम थमेंगे नहीं।
All right, Saurabh Bhaktania is now joining us live to join us and bring us up to speed with the latest developments that are coming in. Maharashtra Home Minister Saurabh is now wanting to file an FIR to be registered. He wants action to be taken. Not just this, he's writing to the INB ministry to go ahead and bring a law to regulate these OTT platforms as well. It's speaking a lot about the priorities of Maharashtra government at this point of time, given the fact that the makers of Tandav have issued an apology in case they've unintentionally hurt anyone's sentiments.
Well, first of all, Chaiti, in this case, the makers of the Tandav have first apologized, and secondly, they have also removed the particular content which was objectionable. Now, very importantly, we have to see in this case that BJP also was mounting a lot of pressure on the Maharashtra state government. For the last couple of days, we have seen a lot of protests against the web series Tandav. And very recently, just a few months back, the burning has also been happened. Effigy of this web series Tandav has been done in the area of Ghatkopar by BJP leader Ram Kadam. So he has gone and filed a complaint against the web series maker, and he was saying that it's the Maharashtra government who is not ready to file an FIR and putting pressure on Mumbai police not to file an FIR. So finally, the Maharashtra Home Minister clearly said that yes, we are going ahead and filing an FIR against the web series after the complaint has been received. But he also instructed that this is not our jurisdiction. The OTT content has been comes under the central ministry, and therefore they should regularize. They should actually put up a law to regularize the whole content. Now, very importantly, also in this charity, the UP police official team is in Mumbai. There is a 4-member team headed by Police Inspector Anil Singh is in Mumbai. They earlier visited the DCP Crime Branch office in Andheri, but the DCP wasn't present over there. The very latest what we are picking up is that the team has now reached the Mumbai Police Commissioner office, which is in Fort area. They will be meeting the senior officials from the crime branch. They want an assistance by the local police to actually help them to carry out their interrogation. The UP police have clearly told us that they are going to question the makers of the web series Tandav, and they will be also questioning the people from the Amazon. Therefore, they need the local assistance. So right now, Chaiti, they are at the Mumbai Police Commissioner office.
The big question, Saurabh, is going to be on these filmmakers and the creative artists who are based primarily out of Mumbai, because Mumbai is where all these filmmakers are primarily settled on, you know, censoring themselves, thinking 100 times before taking creative liberties, because we saw this in the case of Padmavat as well. We've seen this in the past happening earlier. This time around, for one scene for which the makers have apologized, you're seeing protests pan-India that are breaking out, and even Mantri is going on to wanting to file FIRs. How does the creative fraternity and Mumbai respond to this entire ongoing controversy that is breaking out?
Well, this is the bang-on question, Chaiti, because you see, in such issue, there are some people from the fraternity who actually comes up and say something. But at this particular moment, we are not seeing any reaction from anybody, because this is not just from one party. This is from all over different parties, FIR from all over the India. Now, we are seeing the statement being issued by the makers of the Tandav. They clearly said that if we have hurt someone's sentiments, then we apologize. They yesterday also removed the objectionable content, and they said that we once again apologize. So why this is escalating is the big question. They, off the record, while speaking to us, they clearly told us that now we have nothing to do with this. We have apologized, we have removed the content, but now there should be no action against us. So we can clearly see there is some sort of how the freedom of speech...
Hold on, Saurabh Bhaktania right there. Devankur Vadavan is also joining us. Devankur, Karni Sena has now jumped into the fray, despite an apology coming in from the filmmakers saying that if we have unintentionally hurt your sentiments, we are very sorry. Why is there such a big ruckus being created over one scene over which the makers have already apologized? What is going on right there in Jaipur as well? And you know, very interestingly, I want to put out, you've got a whole host of people and even fellow journalists taking to Twitter saying that the only thing offensive about Tandav is the back portrayal of politics and nothing else.
Oh, well, clearly, you know, there is this political party in that OTT in this web series on the OTT platform that seems to be a conglomeration, perhaps indicating towards all political parties, the Congress, the left. And the question that you asked is clearly pertinent. Why is the Karni Sena jumping into this entire fray of protest? There is a history to it. There is precedent to it. You would remember when the Padmavat episode happened, even at that point in time, the Karni Sena, led by several factions of that group itself, jumped into the fray, claiming that their history has been maligned, that their ancestors have been tarnished, their image has been spoiled, and that is why they are protesting. Clearly, the protests often in the past have turned violent as well, in Rajasthan at least, and the fact that the long arm of the law or the government of the state did not come down heavily on such violent protests in the past has meant that these people have not been deterred to carry out violent protests. And several in the past, we have known for a fact that several groups wanting to come under the spotlight, wanting to put forth their protests, have resorted to these kind of tactics. This despite the fact that in the latest case, in the case of Tandav, the makers have clearly apologized, mentioned that they are willing to take back the content that they claim to be objectionable. But despite all of that, perhaps these fringe groups, because that is what they are, trying to claim that they represent the larger community, perhaps whether it be the Rajput community or other sections, claiming that they are fighting for them and trying to garner some amount of spotlight or some amount of limelight for themselves. This despite the fact that several, as you mentioned, journalists themselves mentioned that as far as the content is concerned, perhaps apart from the bad portrayal of political parties, there is not much objectionable.
There is not much which is offensive about it, and that's the unanimous opinion coming in from many journalists who have watched this film as well. You can see the protests that are breaking out across the country at the moment, despite an apology coming in from the filmmakers. We'll continue getting some more political reactions on this. Reactions, more importantly, from the filmmaking fraternity on how they feel about all of what is transpiring at the moment.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.